This is a method how to heal yourself using source energy. First of all, get yourself into a comfortable position, somewhere where you do your normal meditation practices. I personally put earphones on, listen to those, and start my meditation practice. Right, so just follow these instructions once you've done that. First of all, taking some deep breaths with your eyes closed. And as you're taking one big deep breath, just imagine a pulse of protection going around yourself, and just set the intention that when you do this healing, any energies you use is coming from your highest self, from Source God Creator, and nothing else. So just taking a deep breath, put a sphere of protection around yourself, and as you exhale, just imagine this sphere getting bigger and stronger and brighter. Right, once you've done that, you can begin the healing of yourself. So, once again, taking a deep breath, and just imagine you're sending a beam of light into the centre of the earth, connecting to Mother Earth. And as you exhale, connecting and bringing that energy back into yourself, into your heart centre. And then with the next inhale, send out a beam to Source God Creator. Just imagine a bright sun in the centre of all the universes where you're connecting to Prime Creator Source God. And as you exhale, bring that connection back down and visualise it as a golden light or any other light, any other colour, and bring that into your heart centre. And then just start to breathe normally, and with every breath, just imagine a pulse of light going upwards and downwards, one going to Source, one going to Mother Earth, connecting. And when you're exhaling, all the energy is coming back to you, like in a big loop of connection. And what you need to do then is use this connection to heal yourself. Now, the best way to do this is, as you're listening to your music now, taking in your breaths, just imagine yourself starting to float. Just imagine yourself laying on your back in a sea of calmness, a sea of this connection to source energy. And as you're breathing in and out, just imagine this energy coming all around you, supporting you, holding you up in this sea of source golden light. And just try to imagine yourself melding into this light and becoming one with this source energy. Source energy is everything and is in everywhere. And as you're breathing in, just see every single molecule in your body, every atom, every subatomic atom, everything that you're made of has got source energy. And just imagine this light going into there and melding and becoming one with this light. Now just carry on doing this, just nice and relaxed. Just imagine yourself laying back like you're in a sea of source energy, just listening to that beautiful music you've got on and just relaxing. Now, I want you to think about the place that you need to heal in your body. So let's imagine it's your lower back, like it was for me recently. And as you start to inhale, just imagine this sea of source energy coming in towards you. And just imagine it coming through every single pore in your body, in every direction, as a golden, beautiful light. And as this light comes into your body, up your legs, through your belly, through your chest, through your head, every single part of your skin, just see this light coming in, and just see it start to concentrate onto the area where you need the healing. So let's imagine it is your lower back, or any other area what it might be for you at this precise moment. So with every breath you're taking in, to see this golden light coming in and concentrating on the area where you need to be healed the most. And just feel into it, feel into this ocean, feel into this connection to Source, God, Creator, in the knowledge that you can create anything you want, heal anything you want, including yourself. And use this connection to bring this light around the area where you need that healing. And just see it penetrate into that area. And whatever it is you've got wrong with you, as you're breathing in, bringing this light, this golden light all around you into that part, just start to visualize yourself totally healed from whatever it is. Just imagine a situation where you haven't got this pain, you haven't got this ailment or this disease, or whatever it may be. So breathing in, bringing that source golden light into your body, into the area you need it the most, and visualize yourself totally healed as you do this. Now keep doing this, in seeing the golden light going around the area, feeling that soothing energy going into that part, and then seeing yourself totally healed as this energy brings that future towards you. Now I want you to imagine that this healing, this state, what you're manifesting, is just around you. And it's in a reality what's just out of your sphere at the moment. And as you're breathing in, just start to bring this sphere of this manifestation of you healed, bring it inwards, bring it further towards you as you bring that manifestation into your bubble of reality. And feel yourself walking towards this manifested, healed part of you. Just breathing in, using this source energy, concentrating it into the area you need it the most, manifesting yourself as a healed from this ailment, disease, whatever it may be, and just see it coming towards you in a collapsing sphere of reality. And this enters your bubble of now as you start to experience the beginning of the healing, what you need. All you need to do is just do this for as long as you want. 5-10 minutes is fine. And you'll find if you keep doing this every day, and while you're not meditating as well, just keep thinking and imagining and manifesting yourself in this state of a healed state. Just thinking about this source energy, what's helping this to happen. Then do this meditation on a regular basis until you start to see that reality come into your now moment and start to feel that healing, just like I did with my back in a few days. That's it. So just keep breathing in, bringing in that golden light of energy into that place where you need it the most, manifesting exactly the state you want to be in. And that's all you need to do. Thank you.